folks, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the upload feature of the file sharing in OLS, which will save you a step when you are trying to submit any files to me that I have shared with you in the OLS file sharing. So you know that there are two places that you can find file sharing. You can either come over here into your quick links or go up here into the top where it says file sharing. If I click on that, it's going to bring me to different places where you can find files that have been shared. And I'm going to come down here, find my Woodpeckers to Helmets questions, which is the most recent one. Now you can save this to your computer if you would like to work on it there and save a copy of it to your computer. And that would be the best way to do it if you are going to send it to me by email, or you can just open it directly from here. Now, you will need to, before you can type in any of your answers, you're going to need to click on this Enable Editing button, and that will allow you to type into this document. So let's say that John Smith is going to type in his answers: helmets protect our brains. Okay, and once you have answered all of your questions and you're happy with that, the best thing for you to do is either come up here under Save, but what would be even better, the best way to do this, since you're going to submit this back to me, is to Save As. Now, when you click Save As, you can put it on this PC somewhere, or you can browse exactly where you would like for that to be. Now, if you would do me a favor, anytime you're going to submit something to me, give it a name, give that file a name with your name in it. Now, I'm using his first name, John, because Smith is a very common name, and there may be more than one Smith in my class. I'm just going to save this into my documents. Okay, I could choose any folder that I wanted to in here, but I'm just going to save it into my documents. And I'm going to take out that. So now I have this file and I know where it's going to be. So when I come back into here and I say upload, I'm going to upload that document that I just created to the OLS. Now I'm already in my documents, so I should be able to come down here and find Smith, John, Woodpeckers to Helmets. When I click on that file, it's going to act just like it's going to attach it to an email, except that instead it has been uploaded. So now that is located in the OLS file sharing. But I want to share that with Mr. McIntosh. So I can just put share and look for my name among all of these 375 names that are possible people that you could share with. And there I am. Now it's over here. Save and close, because I have chosen the person that I want to share that file with. I'm going to share it, and I'm done. Now I can close it, and that file has been shared with me. All right? It's uploaded and it is shared to me. And that's all you have to do, guys. That's all you have to do. I hope this has helped you some. That way you are not going to have to email those files to me if you don't want to. You can just go into the OLS file sharing, take out the document that I've shared with you, enable the editing, save it with your name, upload it, and share it to me. And you are done. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.